go ahead and slap this down. I already checked it once because you want to make sure your hole cutout is perfect before you glue it down. You don't want to have to pull this up. Let me show you this. Here's the drain. So you want to make sure that fits before you glue it. So I'm installing this drain. This is the next phase of this project. So first we need to take a knife. We're going to cut out a circle right here. Once you break them loose, they should come right up. So I put a good 5 layers of RedGard over this. So go right along that edge. Let your blade just follow that curve. There we go. I'll kind of take a knife to this as well. Try to clean up around these bolts a little bit better. Do not drop these into the hole, that's for sure. So now what we're going to do is take this is our ring, but essentially, see now the water is just going to flow right over through these weep holes. There's weep holes in here. You can see right there, there's one there, one right there, there's 4 of them. You turn it, then you tighten these down, and that creates just a nice clamped membrane. This allows you to raise this up and down to the proper height. So the 1 inch of the mortar bed, and then 3/8 of an inch of tile and thin set. Let's go ahead and tighten this down as well. Don't overdo it, you don't want to crack this. Let's try this again. There we go. It should be able to just fit. Okay. I think we're good. Push this around. That'll keep those drain holes from getting clogged, and so if there is any water, it'll allow itself to drain through those rocks into that lower drain. So that's looking nice, just about the right amount. So now when we get our deck mud, we're going to gently pack it around this in a circle, make sure this gravel doesn't move at all. That's just about right. We still want to have some deck mud to slide underneath. So when we're packing it, we really want to make sure we pack it underneath really good.